Wow! What a beautiful garden! This is the garden of talking flowers. Hello, Luna. I'm a sunflower. A sunflower? Yes! I love the sun. Hello, flower. I love the rain. Rain! Yes, rain makes you grow. Look, flower GRO every day. Grow! Grow! Sun and rain help flower grow strong. Now we below. Bloom, bloom, bloom! So pretty! Buzz, Buzz, I love your flowers. The bee helps flowers too. Yes, bees help us grow new seeds. Can you say the words with me? Sun, rain, grow, bloom. Good job, Luna. You learned the garden words. Thank you, flowers. I'll come back soon. Sun and rain. When you see flowers, remember, they grow with love, sun, and rain.